In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image on Wix. Whether you're redesigning your site or simplifying its look, removing a background image is a quick and easy way to create a clean, polished appearance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted background images from any section of your Wix website. This process is beginner-friendly, and I'll guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website editor page. This is where all the magic happens. If you're already familiar with Wix, you probably know the editor is the central hub for customizing your site. Once you're on the Wix editor page, go ahead and log into your Wix account. If you haven't already, make sure you're entering your correct credentials so you can access your websites. Next, you'll need to locate the specific website you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to find the one you'd like to edit and click on it to open it in the Wix Editor. Once the editor loads, you'll be able to see your site's layout and all the sections you've created. Now, it's time to identify the section of your website that contains the background image you want to remove. Scroll through your page and carefully examine your layout until you locate the section in question. This could be a banner, a strip, or any part of your site that has an image set as its background. Once you've found it, click directly on that section. Doing this will bring up the Options menu, where you can make changes to the background. In the Options menu, you'll see a variety of tools for customizing your section. To remove the background image, look for the option labeled Change Background. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Background Settings menu, where you can adjust or remove the existing background. Within the background settings, you'll notice an option labeled None. This is the setting that removes the background image entirely. Click on None, and just like that, the background image in the selected section will be removed. It's a simple but effective way to give that section a cleaner and more streamlined look. Once you've made this change, it's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure everything looks just the way you want. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see a preview button. Click on it to view your site as if you were a visitor. Take a moment to check that the section where you remove the background image looks as intended and blends well with the rest of your site. Finally, after confirming that everything looks great, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, which is also located at the top right of the editor. This step ensures your changes are finalized and won't be lost. Once you've saved, you're all set. And that's it. Removing a background image on Wix is as simple as that. If you follow these steps, you'll have no trouble updating your site's design in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.